Hey guys, welcome to Eat Boys. Today we're going to be reviewing a toy rocket launcher and we'll learn how to build it and shoot it. So, here it is. Toy rocket launcher. I newly bought, so I'm going to open it. First of all, our contents are these rockets. We have 2 blue rockets, 2 red rockets, 1 purple rocket. We should probably have another. Yeah, so my mistake. We actually have 2 purple rockets and we have 2 yellow rockets. Okay, so now we have the stand. The stand's mostly where the base of the rocket is. Here we have the pump where we have to step on to launch the rocket. Here we have the legs to the stand. We have 3 in total. And here's where we attach the rocket. Okay, so first off, we're going to attach the stands. So basically, you can just push it on like that. So it's nice and secure. And you do the same for the other ones. You just push them on. Make sure they're on tight. Okay, that one's good. And the last one. Okay, that's the legs of the stand. Here we go. Next off, we have to add this piece. You can just set it, well, yeah, okay, so you can just set it on here. Like this. Just push it on. And it's good to go. Next off, we have to attach the pump to this yellow part. And you can just push it on. It's not that easy to screw on. So it's just easier if you push it. Okay, there we go. Here's the pump. Next up, you just attach a rocket. Or else use this yellow one. And you just push it on the side. Like that. So here we go. Here's the rocket. Now, depending on what angle you want the rocket to shoot at, so if you want it to shoot straight, this would be good. Or, you see this little knob here? You can twist that knob and just unloosen it. And it'll look up. You can change the angle of it there. Okay, so now we're going to launch it. Let me just tighten this. Okay, so here we go. It's going to launch up to the sky. I'll try to get my best. So we have to step on this pump thing for it to shoot. 3, 2, 1. I don't know if you can see that well. I'm going to try again. So I'll add another rocket. Shooting up. It's going to go up in 3, 2, 1. That was okay. Let's try another one. It's a blue one this time. That went pretty high up. Okay, now we're going to try shooting straight. So we're just going to twist this knob. Angle this. Okay, here we go. Let's use another blue one. Put this on. 3, 2, 1. That was okay. Yeah, let's turn this around. Let's use the purple one now. And there we go. And 3, 2, 1. That was pretty bad. Okay, so that's it for today. Make sure to buy this toy rocket launcher. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, like it anyways. Bye-bye.